Today, we're going to create AI videos in just 2 minutes, and the best part is, it's completely free. First, take a look at this channel. It has 3.98 million subscribers. Just look at the views. 1.1 million, 2.1 million, 1.4 million, 1.6 million. Almost every video has reached over 1 million views. It's an incredible channel. You can easily create a channel just like this. As you can see, it's monetized and earns around $4.1K per month. Yes, this channel is fully monetized, and you can create the same type of videos with ease. In this complete course, I'll show you step by step how to make these trending AI videos for free. So, let's get started and learn how to create trending AI videos in just 2 minutes, completely free. Open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, copy the prompt from the document file that I'll provide and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, it will generate scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts for you automatically. These prompts are high quality and will help you create amazing AI videos. As you can see, all the prompts are now ready. Next, I'll open Flow Labs. It's a great website for creating AI videos. After opening it, simply paste the generated prompt here. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, either 9:16 or 16:9. I'll select 16:9 and then paste the prompt. Once you paste it, the first video will start generating automatically. As you can see, the first video is already finished. The result looks fantastic. The character even resembles Messi. All you have to do is keep copying and pasting the prompts. Now I'll paste the second prompt, and you can see that the second video has started generating as well. It's already complete. Take a look at the result. It's amazing. You can easily create videos like this with this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you run out of credits, you can simply use another email address to create a new Flow Labs account and get more free credits. That's it. Your videos are now ready. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more amazing AI tutorials.